Hey there, Froshies, welcome guys, and today we have something special for you guys. So we want to bring you behind the scenes to how our technicians work on these vehicles to give that top-notch results that we are always coming up with. Hey there, Froshies, welcome guys, and today we have something special for you guys. So we want to bring you behind the scenes to how our technicians work on these vehicles to give that top-notch results that we are always coming up with. So this vehicle today is a BMW X6 and it came in to be froshed up as always. And here are the things to be doing on this vehicle. Number one, we're going to be installing ambient lighting on the inside, and also we're going to be putting that in the AC vents around the vehicle. We just want to make it look very nice. We're not just going to be installing it inside but also outside. So we're going to be doing that places like the fenders and underneath the vehicle, and basically we want to make this car look beautiful at night. So first of all, let me show you a little bit of what we do. So you see how we've removed some of the interior panels, we've removed the seats for example, and we've removed some of the dashboard components here. We want to expose the areas where we want to install the lights. And why are we doing that? We want to do that so that we can install this manufacturer OEM spec, guys. So we want it to look and feel like it came from the factory. That's the best way to do it. And by the time we do it this way, everything is perfect and there's nothing electrically complicated going on anywhere. So guys, as always, this is Froshtech. This is the way we do every single thing we do here in the workshop. Proper OEM standard for everything, and that is how we get the quality that we so desire. So keep on our channels, follow our channels, and when this vehicle is done, the wheels are also going to be sprayed, by the way. It's gonna look extra nice, but we're going to show you guys the finished result. All right guys, stay tuned.